Hey guys, welcome back to Project A. Today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz W213 E250 with us. This car has registered more than 200,000 km mileage, but it's still looking for a stage 2 tune. So let's see what we can do. Before we do any tuning to any cars, we'll make sure that the car is running in perfect condition. The first thing that we did is actually visual inspection. So guys, take a look at this. This is the rotors that was originally on the car. It's already concaved in quite badly, and the pads are also due for replacement. Of course, the absorber as well, they are actually emitting sound. It lost its dampening function. There has no more compression. Definitely, we have to change it. After all the part replacements, the brake disc, the absorbers, pads, the spark plugs, ignition coils, it's now time for us to do a data logging to make sure that the engine is performing as it should. So the data logging will actually show us if the engine is healthy or is there any parts or any hardware that needs special attention to. So we are back from data logging. Despite this car having more than 200,000 km in mileage, it's still running good. So we decided to apply our stage 2 tune. So let's look at the stage 2 log. So we are asking for 1.5 bar of boost. Peak, that's pretty good. And lambda, we are asking for 0.82, 0.81, which is perfect. But the car is definitely good to go.